Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T4 Phev Inscriptionexp 5-door in stunning blue. This hybrid beauty boasts a 1.5-litre engine, combining petrol power with plug-in electric efficiency. With luxurious comfort features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and power boot close, every drive is a pleasure. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. The sleek exterior is complemented by chrome accents, roof rails, and a spoiler. Plus, benefit from an anti-corrosion warranty, self-driving capabilities, and a comprehensive warranty. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.